Here we are in West Cambridge, a lot of action going on here. This is a Freure Homes development, and today I have something for you that's almost as new as it gets. 257 Freure Drive, right across from this nice little water retention pond area. Great spot for you to set up shop and have a nice little cigar at the end of a long week. I think you'll like what this property shows you. Come on in and take a look. So this is well over 2,000 square feet with count them, 4 bedrooms and also an ensuite. So that's 2.5 baths plus a rough in for the basement. Perfect place for you to set up shop with your family. Welcome into your front foyer, a lovely sunken space with nice long tile. Stepping up into this flexible space, which could be set up very nicely as a dining area. Open to this great room, all with hardwood floors, that leads into this lovely updated kitchen with nice tall cabinets in granite, of course, right through the dinette and through some large sliders into what could be your backyard, and you can set up your own plans for deck, fencing, whatever the puppy needs. So tucked in en route to your double car garage, there is a 2-piece powder room, but there's also extra access off the side that works straight down into the basement, which would be perfect for an in-law suite. But now I welcome you to your upstairs, and this is where you'll find your upper floor laundry. So here we are upstairs. Not only do we have 4 very large bedrooms, there's a second bedroom that is such good dimension, it could be almost considered a secondary principal bedroom. However, this right here is your principal bedroom with a very large walk-in closet. Obviously, we also have high mount setup, great for a mounted TV, and your own ensuite, as sweet as can be. So there's your tour of this lovely Freure home. It's as new as it gets, full of Terrian warranty for you as well. And I think it's a perfect place for you to set up shop with you and your family. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.